Okay, here we are to talk about an adjustable base. And we want to take it from this just because this gives you a clear insight into everything that's going on in a base, so that if you do have issues with your adjustable base, some of the motors, the massage motors, the lumbar, whatever it is that's not working, we can kind of help you see what this looks like and troubleshoot it. So this is just a constant base that's in motion. You can see now the foot motor is going up. So down here in this base, this is a queen size base. So if you have a twin XL, which is a split king, you'll have double this, but in a queen, this is how it works. So in here, you'll see we have a foot motor. I don't know if you can see it from back there, but this is a massage motor that comes in. So that's the vibration that you're gonna feel. And there's multiple vibration. There's another one up here in the head as well. So you have one in the legs, one in the head. So that's all those, how they work. This one, as you can see, is it has a head tilt motor. That's what brings this up right here. It tilts it up. It also has what we call the head motor, which is the big motor right here that works the head. And so, like I said, you have multiple motors in here. Headrest motor, the head motor, the foot motor, the massage motors. You can see that going down. And then here in the middle, this is the lumbar motor. It's gonna come up right now. You can see this motor is gonna pull it out. This is how it works in the back. So if you have lumbar in your adjustable base, that's this motor here. So multiple components. And then down underneath here, if you can see it kind of in the middle, this is what we call the junction box. The junction box is where everything plugs into, and then it's gonna, all the motors plug in there, the power supply plugs in there. And so if you have total dysfunctionality, you can see that that is what you gotta fix right there. And then the last component of it is the power supply. The power supply is what's gonna give everything power. One other thing in this one is that it has the lighting, which you can see here. So the other thing that we're talking about that can go out is the power supply. The power supply is this piece here. Sometimes it looks like this with a box with 9 volts in it. Little 9-volt battery backups is what that is. So make sure you have 9 volts in there if it's there, but make sure you want to work that your power supply is working. Usually it has a green light on it. That's kind of how you know it's working. Two other things we want to talk about in this bed. This right here is a subwoofer, this big box down here. So not every adjustable base is going to have it. This is the top of the line base. That's why this is in here. And then up here we have speakers. So you can connect these to Bluetooth. You can connect them to your TV, have full surround sound, listen to music in the bed. It sounds fantastic. The last thing we want to talk about is these LED lights. The LED lights are actually a safety feature. They're motion sensor lights, so that when you get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, whatever, they can turn on. You can change the colors. We're going to show you how they work in a real bed over here. So if you walk over here, we come over here. The motion sensor thing is actually right here on the ground. It's on right now, but you can turn it off as soon as you come back. It's going to come right back on. This actually over there, we were talking about a queen bed. This is the king bed. It's 2 twin XLs. The last feature we want to talk about is, you have remote his and hers, right? Both sides. The other thing that you also have is this also works with the Bluetooth app. So if you'd rather control with your phone, you can control it with your phone. So you have the ability to control, connect everything, make it all work. Like I said, the top of the line bed has all of the features. So if your bed doesn't have all these features, we understand it. But hopefully this is a good overview about all the different components that are in an adjustable bed.